Blacked Out 4x4, welcome back to another one. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a product that I got in the mail just yesterday. Been dying to open it and share it with you guys, but had to wait for the perfect time. So here we are. This product is actually from Australia. Inside this envelope, I have this box, and inside this box, I got some packaging. Within all of this, I got a device. This device right over here is called the GM box. This takes Apple Carplay to a whole new level. I'm really excited to get this plugged in so I can actually review it for myself and share it with you guys and tell you what this is all about. Within the box as well, you get two USB cables. One is a USB-A to a USB-C, and one is a USB-C to a USB-C. So this is really handy. I really like that these are all included. Here is the device close up and personal. It is 4G ready. Yes, you heard me right, 4G ready. So what you would do is in the first slot right over here, you would actually be able to put in a micro SIM card so that you have data on this device, so you're not really pulling off data from your phone or from trying to catch a Wi-Fi signal from your home or Starbucks or wherever, right? Second port, or the middle port right over here, is the USB-C output, and then you also have a slot for your micro SD card so that you can actually have expandable memory on this device as well. Okay, so the first step is to make sure that your car has Apple CarPlay. If you know you already have it, then you can skip this part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in the cable from our phone into the truck. All right, so we already got some good news here. As soon as I plugged this in, it took about a second and it asked me if I would like to allow CarPlay with Sync 3. Sync 3 is the system that we have here in the Ford F-150. And on the screen itself, it says Apple CarPlay, disable or continue. So obviously we're going to continue. So I'm going to show you a close-up of what the regular CarPlay looks like versus what the device looks like with the amount of apps that show up. I'm going to have to detach this camera. I'm going to bring it inside the truck and show you that. We can see that we have everything from phone, your music, your messages. We got Ford Sync, podcasts, Zoom. Now what I'll do is I'm going to hook up this device into the truck and see what more we have. Okay, it says GM box detected right at the top there. It recognizes it as a CarPlay device, and I'll hit continue and we'll hit agree. And then we'll click the Apple CarPlay icon here. And here we go. We got a lot more options here. We got YouTube as well. Netflix. You also have the VLC player. Wow. Take a look at that. All right, let's give this a try.
As an engineer working on the Ford F-150.
This is awesome. The best part is that it's surround sound. So you're listening to your YouTube or Netflix videos through all the speakers of your car. It's beautiful. Okay, so I just had to add this little disclaimer in. Don't be watching YouTube videos and Netflix while you're driving. Yeah, you'll get in big trouble. Not only that, but it's also distracting. So I would highly recommend that you park and then watch whatever you want to watch. But yeah, I just had to add that in. I love this device so far. I'm going to try this in the CR-V now just to see how that works. If it's as seamless as it is here in the truck. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in my wife's CR-V. It's really nice, actually. And I am now going to connect the GM device into this car over here. I know this car has Apple CarPlay. It's a 2019. So again, you know, just repeat those steps if you need to double check if your car has Apple CarPlay or not. I am now going to connect the GM device in, and I'm going to rotate the camera around and show you what I see. I'm going to plug in the device Okay, and it's asking me if I would like to enable, and I'll say always enable. Sure. All right, bingo, just like that. So again, we can see our YouTube. If I just scroll over, we can see all the other apps that are usually not included with Apple CarPlay. There's our Netflix again, the VLC player, we have Waze, we have all the good apps that we would generally want. So I am going to try out YouTube again. And there you go. Yeah, right. So it works. If you were interested in seeing the rest of that YouTube video, just go to YouTube. It was actually recommended in the recommendation list over there. So I'm going to put up a screen right now full of information about what this device also has. There's a lot to mention, and I thought I'll just kind of show this to you, take a look at it. So overall, why this device over just plugging your phone into your car? Number one is that this has the ability to stream videos. So you can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix, you can view all the other apps that you've downloaded from the App Store, where the regular CarPlay, when you plug your phone into your device, it limits the apps that are viewable on your car. So this is fantastic for that. If you have children, this is a blessing. So, if you're waiting for your partner, grocery stores, appointments, whatnot, you're in the car, your kids are getting bored or just getting cranky, plug in their favorite show on YouTube or on Netflix. I'll be doing that. I have 2 children myself, and I think this is a total blessing. So trust me, I'm a happy camper now. I have CarPlay in this truck. I've had it for 2 years. The USB port in my truck is in a little compartment where I usually stuff a lot of junk. And for me to plug in my phone every time, every single day, and then unplug it from there is a hassle. Whereas now I can just have this device plugged into my car every day. I don't have to unplug it. And all I have to do is just pair my phone up with this. It's a lot easier. I think these are the benefits of this device, and I feel it's well worth it. Just the beauty of having this plug and play that works with all vehicles as well as a Jeep. I wasn't able to get a Jeep on today's video. I'm glad I was able to test it out on my truck here and on my wife's CRV. So I'm gonna have some information below this video in the description on where you can take a look at this device, get some more information, as well as order one. I am also going to include on the screen here an Instagram account. Go follow this guy. He's awesome. He's the one that came up with this product. He has a couple of other products going on for you Jeepers out there, and I highly recommend that you check this out. So I will leave you guys at that. I hope you enjoyed this video. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, for all you Jeepers out there, just empty every pocket wisely, and we'll see you soon. Take care.